Having trouble getting your Samsung Galaxy Watch to charge fully? You're not alone. Many users have experienced this, with the battery stopping at 80%, 99%, or some other percentage. This issue can be caused by software glitches, battery wear, or even hardware problems. Let's dive into the common causes and how to fix them. Software solutions are often the first line of defense against Galaxy Watch charging issues. The most common fix is a software update. Samsung regularly releases updates for One UI Watch that specifically address charging problems. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected phone and check for available updates. Install any firmware updates, especially the recent ones from late 2025 that fixed adaptive charging issues in newer models. If updates don't solve the issue, try restarting your watch. This clears temporary software glitches that might interfere with charging detection. Press and hold the power button until the restart option appears on screen. As a final software solution, consider a factory reset if the problem continues. This clears any deep software conflicts but erases all data. Always back up your watch data first through the Galaxy Wearable app before proceeding. Navigate to Settings, then General, Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. The charging cable and adapter you're using could be the culprit behind your Galaxy Watch not charging to 100%. Always use the original Samsung charger or a certified compatible one to ensure proper charging. Third-party chargers can sometimes cause charging problems and should be avoided. Over time, lithium-ion batteries degrade naturally. If your watch is a few years old and you've charged it hundreds of times, the battery might be nearing the end of its lifespan. If so, consider a battery replacement to restore full charging capability. Samsung Galaxy Watches have built-in safeguards to prevent overcharging and extend battery health. One of these features is adaptive charging, which may intentionally stop charging at a certain percentage, such as 85%, to avoid stressing the battery. Check your watch settings for battery protection options that might be enabled. Let's run through a quick checklist to troubleshoot your Galaxy Watch charging issue. Power cycle the device to clear temporary glitches. Ensure you have the latest software for optimal performance. Compatible charging accessories prevent connection issues. Adjust settings to allow full charging if needed. Reset to defaults, but backup data first. If the issue continues after these steps, it might be a hardware problem. Samsung has actively addressed these charging issues with software updates and even battery replacement programs for eligible devices. For example, a firmware update in late 2025 for the Galaxy Watch 6 series introduced improved adaptive charging algorithms. If you're experiencing issues, check Samsung's support site for your specific model to see if any updates or programs apply to you. The future of smartwatch batteries looks promising. Expect to see AI-driven battery optimization, where the watch learns your usage patterns and adjusts charging accordingly. Samsung is also exploring graphene-based batteries for faster, more efficient charging in future models. These advancements should significantly reduce charging-related issues. If you've tried all the software and hardware troubleshooting steps and your Galaxy Watch still isn't charging to 100%, it's time to contact Samsung support or a qualified repair technician. Continuing to use a faulty battery could potentially damage your watch. Professional diagnostics can pinpoint the exact problem and ensure a safe and effective repair. Seek expert help for proper diagnosis and repair.